Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fun and vibrant product that's perfect for water enthusiasts. We found these goggles online and have added a link in the description so you can check out the latest price and availability. Let's take a closer look at the Speedo Unisex-Adult Swim Goggles Sunny G. The Speedo Sunny G goggles are designed to bring a splash of color and personality to your swim time. These unisex goggles are not only stylish but also practical, making them ideal for both casual swimmers and those looking to enjoy their time in the pool during parties or activities near water. With their fun aesthetic, they're sure to stand out whether you're splashing around at a pool party or just enjoying a sunny day at the beach. One of the standout features of the Sunny G goggles is their comfortable fit. They come equipped with soft, flexible silicone seals that create a watertight barrier, ensuring that your eyes stay dry while you swim. This is particularly important for those who may be sensitive to chlorine or just want a clear view under the water. The adjustable strap also allows for a customizable fit, making it easy to put on and take off. In terms of design, the Sunny G goggles boast a wide range of colors, so there's something for everyone. This makes them an excellent choice for families or groups, as you can mix and match colors for a fun and coordinated look. The lenses are also designed with UV protection, which is crucial for outdoor swimming. It helps protect your eyes from harmful rays while you enjoy the sun. These goggles are suitable for a variety of users, from children to adults, thanks to their unisex design and adjustable features. They are particularly well suited for those who enjoy casual swimming or engaging in water games. If you're a lap swimmer looking for something more performance-oriented, Speedo offers other models like the BioFuse 2.0 goggle, but for those who want to have fun and enjoy time in the water, the Sunny G goggles are a fantastic choice. Practical use cases for the Sunny G goggles are endless. Picture this: you're at a pool party with friends, and everyone is diving in and out of the water. These goggles will keep your eyes protected while you play games like water volleyball or simply relax on a float. They're also great for family outings to the beach or lake, where you can enjoy swimming, snorkeling, or just splashing around with kids. The vibrant colors make them easy to spot, so you won't have to worry about losing them in the water. Another practical aspect to consider is their durability. Made from high-quality materials, the Sunny G goggles are built to withstand regular use in chlorinated water and sunlight. This means you can confidently wear them throughout the summer season without worrying too much about wear and tear. In conclusion, the Speedo Unisex-Adult Swim Goggles Sunny G are a fantastic option for anyone looking to add a little flair to their swim gear. With their combination of style, comfort, and functionality, they cater to casual swimmers who want to have fun in the water while protecting their eyes. Whether you're at a pool party, day at the beach, or simply enjoying a swim in your local pool, these goggles are sure to enhance your experience. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.